What is hosting? Think of hosting as your website's home on the internet. It's where all your site files, images, and content are stored. Popular hosting providers include Namecheap, Bluehost, GoDaddy, SiteGround, Hostinger, and others. What is a domain? Your domain is your website's address. It's how people find you on the internet, like www.yourwebsite.com. You can register a domain through a domain registrar, often offered by hosting providers. In this video, we shall be using Namecheap as our preferred hosting provider. Feel free to check out other hosting services that best suits your need. I've been using and loving Namecheap hosting services for quite some time now, and I think it could be a game changer for your website. So, I recommend them for their reliability, speed, and excellent customer support. So, I've left some link in the video description below. Feel free to check out the hosting provider. I've left some link in the video description below. If you decide to sign up through this link, you not only get a discount, but an awesome hosting service. So, to get started, don't forget to click on the link in the description of this video. Now, on the Namecheap website, I will go to hosting, and there are several hosting plans on Namecheap, but for now, I'm going to select shared hosting. Then I'm going to scroll down, and here you can choose your billing cycle, monthly or yearly or 2 years interval. And as you make selection, the prices of the different packages will be adjusted. You also have the option to select your preferred data center location, US, UK, and others. So here we are presented with 3 hosting packages: the Stellar Plan, Stellar Plus, and Stellar Business. And each of these comes with different offers. So select the one that fits your need, then click on Get Started. Once the plan is selected, you will be redirected to the domain name connection page. Here you have the ability to connect an already existing domain on Namecheap or third party, or simply register a new one. If you don't have a domain yet, you have the possibility to search for a new domain. Let's say I want to search for the availability of Zenith stores. And here we are presented with a search result of the ones that are taken or available. So, since zenithstores.com is taken, I can adjust my domain name by adding an underscore, just to differentiate the two. Note, this is based on what you want. You can add whatever you wish. And here we go, our new domain is available in the .com extension. So, select your preferred one and click on the Connect to Hosting to proceed. In case you decide to change the hosting billing cycle to a monthly one, the price for the domain will be changed. Here we have a total sum based on my selection, which includes the type of hosting package and the domain, which amounts to $40.54 as at the time of recording this video. You can get a discounted rate if you click on the link below. If everything is fine, click on the Add to Cart button. On the next step, you can review your order details and apply a coupon if you have one. Then click on Confirm Order to proceed to the checkout. Here I have been redirected to the login and sign up page. If this is your first time, then you can create an account, or if you have an account already on Namecheap, you can log in to proceed. For me, I do have an account already, so I will enter my details to sign in. Next, you verify your sign-in process. Once done, choose the payment method for your hosting package. You can choose one of the 3 payment methods: credit card, PayPal, or account form. Then click on continue to make payment and complete your order. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm not going to make a payment right now for this domain. I already have a domain I bought recently, so once you have completed the entire process and made payment, you can access or manage your domain by simply navigating to Account, Dashboard, then click on Domain List. And here we have a list of domain. Most especially, I have the apextechie.site as my new domain. Now, in order to start uploading our content, I will navigate to Hosting List tab, and then I will go to cPanel.